Stop trying to use Google Maps in China. It's outdated, blocked, and will leave you lost in a maze. In 2026, there's only one king of navigation, Amap, Gaode. Today, I'll show you how to master it in English, so you can navigate like a local, even if you can't read a single Chinese character. First, the English mode. Go to your profile, hit Settings, and switch the language. Pro tip: in 2026, Amap's English version covers 90% of major cities. If you don't see English, update the app. The old versions are Chinese only. Searching is easy. Type in English, and a map will find the landmark. But here's the real gold. It tells you exactly which subway exit is closest to your destination. It even shows you which train carriage is the least crowded. No more wandering around underground stations for 20 minutes. Don't bother downloading separate taxi apps. A map has Didi and 20 other companies built in. It compares all prices at once. You select the cheapest one, and it picks you up. You pay directly via the Alipay you linked earlier. No cash, no awkward talking with the driver. A map isn't just a map, it's your survival guide to China. Download it before you land. If this helped you find your way, hit that subscribe button for more no-fluff China guides. What's your biggest fear about China travel? Let me know in the comments below.